Now we're gonna make a nice burger dry rub seasoning mix that you can mix into your hamburger meat and have delicious hamburgers. We're gonna start with 1 tablespoon of ground paprika, 1 tablespoon of dark brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of onion flakes. There's 1, there's 2. 1 teaspoon of salt. This could be kosher salt, sea salt, or Himalayan salt. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1/2 teaspoon of dry sweet basil. 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. And lastly, 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika. That'll give it a little more of a savory flavor. Stir that up. This will be good for about 4 to 8 burgers. Make sure you label. You can label the top or the side and the day's date. Transfer it into your container. Seal it up and place in your cabinet or use.